Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to talk about how to update the Git version from the CMD on Windows 7. So first open the CMD. For that you have to check whether the Git is installed on your system or not. So write this command git. If you get this response, it means that the Git is installed on your system. Now for the Git update, what you need to do here is you have to write git update. Okay, yeah, I want to download the new version of that, whatever it is. Okay, this is downloading the new version of the Git for my system, and eventually it will work for you as well if you want to update the Git version on your window. So we have to wait for it, it's gonna take some time. Okay, our Git file is downloaded here, and we got to do the next we got to do the yes for it. Alright, here's this. Okay, I haven't seen. Yeah, fine, whatever it is, go with the default version of everything. Okay, so our Git installation is complete here, and this is how you can install update your Git version with the help of CMD on the Windows 7. Alright, so if you really find it useful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.